How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I want to do a quick video on Torchlight today because I just did one on Torchlight and metamaterials over the weekend. So if we look here, you can actually see I did this just a few days ago. Obviously, since this has happened, since I made this on Saturday, the stock's up a lot today. So it shot up in pre-market. It actually went all the way up to $10.20. And now it's come back down a little bit, but still up 37% on the day. So I want to give you a little update on it, tell you about what's happening, why people are excited. Now, I do want to show you something that Jim Cramer actually said about Torchlight also, which will make you think a little bit. Now, of course, if you guys don't mind hitting the like button, I really appreciate that. It helps out the channel a lot. Also, I will tell you at the end what I've been buying. So I have been buying a good amount of something today, and I'll probably talk about it in another video later today, but I want to give this update to you guys in case you are interested. Also, there is a link down there to Webull in case you want some free stocks. Also, a link down there in case you want to sign up for the Patreon. You can see exactly what I'm buying and selling in real time, get updated a little bit faster on different stocks and what I'm doing in the market. So if you guys want that, there is a new 16% off link if you sign up for the 1-year trial. So definitely check that out below if you're interested. And if you go with Webull, make sure you deposit $100 to get those free stocks. So Torchlight is up 42% today, 41%. It is very, very volatile. You can see it's actually come down a lot since its high. It's actually come down 20%. So what the heck is happening? Is this just another day? Well, we've seen it go up a lot. So I'll be honest, I haven't bought this one. This is one that, maybe a couple months ago, maybe at the beginning of the year, I might have tried to jump on, but the market's very different. Right now, it's gone up in the last 1 month. It's gone up about 300%. So what happened today? Like I said, there was some news actually from the company. So we knew that they had declared a special dividend. This was as of June 14th. Torchlight Energy Resources and Oil and Gas Exploration Company announced they declared a special dividend of Series A preferred stock to be issued on a 1-for-1 basis to common stock shareholders. So basically, if you hold common stock, you're actually going to get a special dividend Series A preferred stock. So this was with a record date as of close of market on June 24th. So just a few days from now, actually, that's coming up this week. So be on the lookout for that. The special dividend is to be issued in connection with the previously announced business combination with metamaterial. So again, this is not the news yet, but we have to set it up. Stockholders of record June 24th will be entitled to receive the dividend, which will consist of 1 share of Series A preferred stock for each 1 share of common stock, subject to adjustment of any reverse split. So shareholders of this preferred stock will be entitled on a pro rata basis to any future net proceeds or any other potential benefits derived from the disposition of oil and gas assets. So a lot of people have been very excited about this. They are basically getting a preferred stock, and then later on, once they figure out what they're going to do with the oil and gas assets, they're going to be given a dividend. A lot of people are very excited about this. Now, what's the news as of today? Because again, this is about a week ago. Well, the company came out and they actually said that they have agreed to extend the outside date by which Torchlight and metamaterial must close their business combination transaction to June 30th. The extension provides time for June 24 record date and the June 25th payment date of the Series A preferred stock. So this is something that I think a lot of people are excited about. This is really the only news coming out of the company here today. Now, what should we do going forward? Well, I do want to say Jim Cramer kind of cautioned about this. He cautioned about the ability of meme-powered investors to boost stock prices and how it could fade in the coming weeks. Now, he cited a series of failed recommendations from discussions on Wall Street Bets. It's kind of interesting because he's talking about AMC and GameStop. I think this website itself is misreading this a little bit because they're talking about how he's citing failed attempts by Wall Street Bets, but I think what Wall Street Bets has done with AMC and also with GameStop was actually quite successful for most people. I mean, sure, if you bought at the top and then it fell, and then you sold, it's not good. But right now, AMC is pretty much near all-time highs. GameStop's doing very well too. So I think that they are misrepresenting what happened here, at least on what they're saying. Now, Torchlight is a Reddit stock. A lot of people on Reddit are excited. Now, I'm not saying that's a meme stock. They, in this website, in this article, said there was a meme stock. So what am I doing? I'm still not currently buying. I am watching it very closely. I think it is pretty interesting, honestly. I think what's going on is interesting. The thing is so many moving parts. And I've been clear about this. There are a lot of moving parts with this. There are a lot of things that have to be done and done well. And this is still like too new on my plate to want to jump in on because there's so much volatility. I mean, heck, it's come down 12% in a few hours. Of course, if you have a very high conviction, that's awesome. I say more power to you. That's awesome. But right now, I am a little bit hands off this. I'm not jumping in right now with this high volatility. The whole market is down, so that's where I am a little bit more cautious, but there is a potential short squeeze. I talked about that the other day. A lot of people are excited about this. A lot of people are thinking that the dividend is going to make shorts come back and cover their shares. So it's going to be interesting to see how this all works out. I'll be honest. It's going to be interesting to see where this is going forward. Now, I did buy something today. I bought a good amount of something today. Actually, a few different things. And again, I'll probably talk about this in a video later. I bought a good amount of crypto. So if we look here, I'll show you the Discord here in case you want to join this. Again, you can check this out down below. You can check out the Patreon. But I opened a good, I bought a good amount of crypto. You can see I bought 0.04 Bitcoin. So off the top of my head, I think that's $1,300 or something like that. 0.67 Ethereum, about $1,300 again. 400 Cardano, 25 DOT, 2000 VeChain. And I actually ended up buying one more BNB, which I updated later. But I ended up spending about $4,000 on crypto today. Now, the crypto market is generally soft right now. If you guys want, I am doing some of my buying on BlockFi. So this is where I hold the majority of my Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see right here, they pay an interest rate. They allow crypto-backed loans. So that's going to be really nice when crypto goes up to where we think it will go up to. If you're bullish on crypto, it should help out that you don't have to actually sell your assets that have appreciated so much. Of course, they do pay interest too, which is nice, about 5% a month. I mean, it changes depending on the crypto, but it goes all the way up to 8.6% or 9% a month, depending on the crypto you have here. So if you guys want to check this out, you can also just put in stablecoin, so this does not fluctuate in price. You can see I still have 10,000 of them, so you can check that out down below if you're interested. But I did buy more. The whole market is soft in crypto right now. I can actually pull it up, and the market is soft, I think, because of the looming death cross, right, where the 50-day passes underneath the 200-day moving average, and then also because of China cracking down on Bitcoin mining. So that those are the two reasons I think that's a little bit red here today. But overall, if you're long term, I wouldn't be too worried. Of course, not financial advice. Same thing with Torchlight. Do your own research. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hitting subscribe and the like button and checking out the links down below if you're interested. If not, that is totally fine. Let me know what you think about Torchlight down below and metamaterial, and let me know what you think about crypto too. We'll throw that in there. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.